Hello there, friends. We're up at Mount Charleston and the trail again. Hello there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Today I'm up here at Mount Charleston and on the trail again. This time it's Mary Jane's Fall. I'm pretty much at the trailhead at this point, but I'm going to try to see if I can make it up top. Part of my exercise routine. Now today, it's a beautiful, beautiful 64 degrees up here. I left about 83 degrees down there in the valley floor. So here I am back on the trail again, trying to stay away from the gym. I will not take a flight, and so I'll do everything I can to find the alternative, and this is one of it today. So I'm so glad that you come along with me. I carry my mask just in case. The trail is very narrow at some part, so still trying to keep myself protected just in case. And so here I am. Let's go. And the Mary Jane trailhead.
Dust of moss and the taste of loss, gray coast home, the mountains worlds have that wildest child, he goes lost in time, visions like waves float around the name. The tears gonna dry in the sun. The skies will be on their own. Memories will be tattoos on your soul. We get back what they stole. A cracker grin, a pink sound was just kidding. Black balloon, don't be sad. One day you'll learn to fly through the wind, through the storm. One day you'll fly along. Oh, 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 oh. There'll always be someone trying to hold you down. Just forget about it now. Follow your passion, follow your dreams, even if it flows upstream. Ah, ah, ah.
Some early adventurer, huh? All right.
It takes a strong
I think you are, yes.
It takes a strong soul to go deeper. It takes a strong love to go through this madness. It takes a strong love to go through all of it, through all of it. Black balloon, don't you cry. One day you'll learn to fly through the wind, through the storm. One day you'll fly alone. Oh, 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 oh. Black balloon, don't be sad. One day you'll learn to fly through the wind, through the storm. One day you'll fly along. Oh, 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 oh. There'll always be someone trying to hold you down. just forget about it now. Follow your passion, follow your dreams, even if it flows upstream. It takes a strong soul to live in this world. It takes a strong soul to go deeper. It takes a strong love to go through this madness. It takes a strong love to go through all of it, through all of it. Black balloon, don't you cry. One day you'll learn to fly through the wind, through the storm. One day you'll fly alone. Oh, oh, oh. On, letting all my heart show. My beauty marks are everywhere that left a scar. Yeah, this is where happy starts. I'm feeling it in my bones. I'm not beautiful like you. I'm beautiful like me. That's beautiful, you see. It's time to show some love for it, 'cause I love the way I feel when I decide I'm free from the icy insecurity. I think this time I've had enough of it. I wanna let my soul shine, wanna let my soul shine. Oh, I wanna live my life burning like a wildfire. Wanna let my
My friends, it is so peaceful here. What a beautiful way to clear the head. I miss this path because seems like hikers sometimes make their own track. But there was some recent heavy downpour, which I believe washed out the actual path. So now I make my way up. Sorry about the heavy breathing. I'm out of practice. Need to get back in the gym to bench some weight. That's what I miss. Hey guys.
Hello.
How are you doing? All right.
I am a spark, flickering in the dark. Quickly I'm catching on, letting all my heart show. My beauty marks are everywhere that left a scar. Yeah, this is where happy starts. I'm feeling it in my bones. I'm not beautiful like you. I'm beautiful like me. That's beautiful, you see. I wanna let my soul shine. Wanna let my soul shine. Oh, I wanna live my life burning like a wildfire. Wanna let my soul shine. Wanna let my soul shine. Illuminate the darkest night with my soul shine. You see my skin, yeah, the one I'm living in. Hey, it's the only one I get. I think it's time to show some love for it, 'cause I love the way I feel when I decide I'm free from the icy insecurity. I think this time of heading up. I wanna let my soul shine. Wanna let my soul shine. Oh, I wanna live my life burning like a wildfire. Wanna let my soul shine. Wanna let my soul shine. Illuminate the darkest night with my soul shine. I'm not beautiful.
It's a shame that no one followed the rules.
Beautiful like me. It's beautiful.
This is a massive erosion.
I'm not
No one followed the track.
like you. I'm beautiful like me. That's
Shortcuts.
beautiful, you see.
How wimpy.
Wanna let my soul shine. Wanna let my soul shine. Yeah, I wanna live my life burning like a wildfire. I wanna let my soul shine. Wanna let my soul shine. Burning like a wildfire. Oh, wanna let my soul shine. Wanna let my soul shine. Yeah, I wanna live my life burning like a wildfire. Wanna let my soul shine. Wanna let my soul shine.
Camera's away.
With my soul shine.
I'm recording, but it's all for you. Unless you want to be on my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing?
What are you filming?
Oh, from yes, on my YouTube channel.
On my YouTube channel?
Yeah. Yes. Here, in case you watch YouTube. I didn't film you guys. Hey guys. Okay, my friends, so I'm almost there. You can hear my breathing. Oh, it was a good climb, and I did it without a break. Just an absolute beautiful view. A mountain that is COVID-free, but I still wear my mask anyway. I leave nothing to chance. Beautiful, my friends. Like I said, a mountain that is cocoa-free. My goodness, how pathetic. Who are these degenerates? Unbelievable. Such a beautiful place being defaced. Unbelievable, ridiculous. People with no appreciation for nature. And freaking believable. How beautifully majestic. And defaced by idiot. Early start, huh? With a little one, that's awesome. There you go. Hello. Hi. I'm so close I can smell it. So my friends, I made it to the fall. Gotta get my camera straight with no one in sight. So here I am. I did it. I'm so glad you could come along with me. I brought me a red stripe, but forget it in the car. I was trying to keep it cool in my cooler. So that's counterproductive. But I did brought banana and the Jamaican bun with me. Hopefully that will do the trick. Oh, there. So my friends, finally get to take a break after all. It was quite a distance up. Let's see how we did in terms of steps. I know I was breathing very heavy in your ears, but the whole idea was to give you a little bit of the enjoyment of climbing, if you can call it that way. But let's see. Here, I'm trying to find a good place to. Let's see if I can focus the camera a little bit here, so I can sit away a little bit. Let's do. Okay, so if I sit over here. Okay, that didn't work too well. Let's try this, bring this down a little bit and see if that will work better. Okay, here we go. So my friends, as I was saying, it was quite a trek up, but it was most enjoyable. Still have to adjust a little bit here. Let's see. Too far up. Just trying to find somewhere to sit. Okay, so as I was saying, up the hill. I think I did it in pretty good time. I started about 4:45 and made it up here by 6:10. So not too shabby. My hiking buddy couldn't make it today. She was busy, so I just stood here. It's just me and the water. Beautiful sun in the background. I couldn't have asked it better. So let's see, up the trail. Up the trail, 2.33 miles. It's okay. So heading back down, which is a lot easier. I'll burn less calories, but I'll put me at about 4 point something miles. So here I am, just me, the birds, and the water flowing in the background. Still beautiful nonetheless. So my friends, it's always good to get away from the bustling, from the hustle of the city. And make sure I brought me a banana for potassium. I brought me a piece of Jamaican bun, but I think it's too sweet. I'm not gonna have it, especially this close to dinner. But I just want to thank you for coming along with me. It was fun. During this time, it gives me no pleasure to take a flight. And believe me, there are many times that I attempted to. But being on a flight, I cannot control what happened. Coming up the hills, I can. I met quite a few people along the way. Of course, I'm in the people business, so there's nothing more enjoyable than to see people along the way. That's my life. Love people. So, my friends, this is where I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you for coming along with me. I believe I've shown quite a bit coming up. There's not much to see from here. I'll probably take some more shots before I head back down. But for now, thank you so much for strolling up the hill with me. This is the Mary Jane Fall. It gets pretty dark around 7 o'clock. So around 6:25 now, I'm going to try to make it off the hill. Although I brought my headlight just in case. Gotta come prepared. But until then, my friends, this is Jamaican in the Move. One love. Thanks for hiking with me. Love you, my friends. Peace.